how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So let's get started. Now, when we are using YouTube, or if you are an affiliate, you do affiliate marketing, you might be wondering how to use YouTube to do affiliate marketing, because YouTube is an amazing platform, of course, with billions of users and everybody watches YouTube. We can actually make sales using YouTube, and a lot of YouTubers are doing so. They are doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. So how you can get started, where to get started, how you can actually get in good product, and what kind of videos you can make to do affiliate marketing. This is what I will be covering today. It's a very good tutorial for you guys and it will help you a lot. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first thing is, of course, if you have no idea about affiliate marketing, if you are a complete beginner, you just know about affiliate marketing, you heard that you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So what you need to do is you need to go to a platform, an affiliate marketing platform, or if you are already using a platform, just open it up. Right now I am on digistore24.com, which is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and an affiliate network. You can create your new products right here, or you can actually become an affiliate for other products as well. So I use Digistore as well. It's really easy to use and completely free to sign up for. What you need to do is simply go to the marketplace of your affiliate place, wherever you are doing. If you have an affiliate program, that's good. If you are looking for a product, so that's the first step. Selecting a product that will actually get you views and that is actually trending. That will make you more sales and you will be able to sell it using YouTube. Now I am on here in this marketplace. So let me show you the niches we can go for. We have digital products, animals and pets, a betting system, dance and music, email marketing, education, family and kids, fashion, fitness and health, food and drinks, game and fun, home and garden, job and employment, language, social media, software, sports, survival, and trading products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to software, because that's what I do. A software affiliate marketing makes you a lot of money and we can do it very easily using YouTube. You can do any kind of product. When it comes to these software products, now let's actually go ahead and, break it down to how we do it. Let's say that you have a software product right here and you have the link for the product. This is the product that you need to promote. What you will do is you will go to YouTube, create a channel for softwares. Okay, like for example, let's go ahead and search on YouTube for software review. Once we open up this right here, you will find a lot of different channels that have a lot of views. All of these channels, they do software reviews. Why they're doing that, why they're selecting a software, and they know which software we need to go for, because they're doing affiliate marketing. That's what we do. For example, you are doing affiliate marketing for Canva. So you will make a software review video for Canva. That's what we also do. So what you need to do is create a video on Canva, teach people how to use it. And then what you need to do is add the link in the description and let people know that you have added a link in the description and they need to sign up for Canva or any other software. Once they do that, you will be making money through it. So that's how it works, and that's how you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So you just do a software review. Similarly, we can do product review. Let's say that your affiliate product is actually a physical product. What you need to do is, if it were a fitness and health product, what you can do is you can get your link from here, right? You got the link to promote now, and you will be making $42 with each sale. And whenever somebody will click on the link and they will buy the product, you will make $42 with it. What I will do now is go to YouTube, create a channel, product reviews. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to, but a lot of YouTubers now show their face as well. And you might have seen a lot of YouTube channels that do product review, and they have millions of views. You can see right here, this is a product review video and it has 226k views. This one has 102k views. Then we have 1.3 million. So this is a product review. They have a collaboration. They might be doing affiliate marketing for it. And the link will be given in the description for this product if we check. Similarly, this one has 1.8 million views. If I scroll down, 1.9 million. Then we have 700k, 138k, 500k. So you can see the views are there. Now, here is another great tip for you guys. If you want to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, then you will also be making money with YouTube. You will not be just making money through your affiliate product. That is why we choose YouTube. Because I will not be only making $42 with a sale, but I will also be making money on YouTube because it's a YouTube video and we know that YouTube pays for the views. So you will be making double money using YouTube if you do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So if we sum it down to very simple words, all you have to do is create a YouTube channel and then promote your product right here using YouTube. It's all about the promotion. You can make a review video. You can make a fun video about it if you want to, however you want to make the video. But mostly when it's a software, we make tutorial videos. When it's a product, we make review videos and let people know that this product is actually good and they should buy it. We're actually making a sales pitch for the product, but in a fun way. People don't know, but they're actually looking at the product and there are potential buyers. And that's what we want. We want to sell our product that we are doing affiliate marketing for. We are their affiliates. So you can promote your product using YouTube. YouTube has millions of users every day looking for different things and trying to figure out how to buy a software. If they already have it, they will be using your link to upgrade their plan to buy a software and you will be making money as an affiliate. So you can go to any software if you're wondering that what affiliate marketing products you should go for. And as I mentioned before, you can go for computer and internet. We have fitness and health. We have games and fun. So all you do is you select a product. Make sure to check all the information. For example, if I go to softwares right here, then I will be able to check all the products available and I need to check that how much I will be earning. This one is giving me 50% commission and the price is $147 and I will make earning is going to be $66. Then commission is 50%, vendor is this, and then we have billing type. We need to sell a subscription for this application. I will make a tutorial video on this and I will add the link in the description. Let people know that if they click on the link they will be getting an off or they can save money. They will click on the link and then sign up. Of course it is legit. If you're wondering that if it's a clickbait or something, it's not. We are just buying the product through our link, that's it, and we are helping them sign up. We're teaching them how to use the software, how the product works. We are giving them an honest review. Don't go with too much a positive review and lie about the product. Don't do that. That's not good. You need to be honest about it and make a review video or make a tutorial of what you think about the product and they will buy it. After that, you will be able to make your profit out of your affiliate product using YouTube. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to do affiliate marketing using YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.